In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add automatic serial numbers to a Notion database. This is a great way to automatically assign a unique number to every new entry. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the database where you want to add serial numbers. Click the plus button to add a new property. Then select the ID property type. Give the property a name such as serial number or ID. Notion will automatically assign a unique number to every existing row, and each new item you create will receive the next available number automatically. If you'd like to customize the numbering, click the ID property, choose Edit Property and add a prefix. For example, you can use task, prod or INV, so your serial numbers appear as task 1, task 2 and so on. You can also drag the ID column to the beginning of your database, so the serial number is the first thing you see for every entry. From now on, every new record you add will automatically receive the next serial number, so there's no need to enter or update numbers manually. That's how to add automatic serial numbers in Notion. Thanks for watching.